Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Monday, and we're now at the 24th of June 2024, and the time 8:20 a.m. Central Time. Now, in terms of news, it's a very light news day. Just the Dallas Federal Reserve Bank coming out with their monthly regional manufacturing outlook, and that'll come out, by the way, for June, and that comes out at 9:30 this morning. Last month's reading was terrible at a minus 19.4. We'll see if it's picked up or it just stays absolutely in the doghouse. Now, I'm reading and watching how a Bloomberg survey just came out where people think the market is. And a lot of people are now saying that for the summer, at least, this part of the summer, they think that the stocks have probably seen their near-term highs in a number of the indices, and that some of the AI stocks are probably getting to the point where you've got to let them consolidate the gains. Maybe there's a pullback coming. I don't know. You know, it's just a survey. You don't know. This week we get PCE on Friday. That's going to be the big event of the week. And that's the Fed's, one of their favorite gauges to look for inflation. The market is not looking for that gauge to go back up. If it does, that'll be a negative for the market. We have also, I think it's Thursday, we get the presidential debate between Biden and Trump. So that should be interesting too. In the dollar, down today as most currencies getting a rally against the dollar. Again, the Japanese yen, the talk is intervention because you went back down just shy of the 160 level. That's about the lowest we've been recently. And, you know, the market keeps talking up intervention, but we don't actually see it taking place yet at this point. Some of the other currencies definitely getting a bounce right here. Excuse me, the gold market pushing into the 2340. Silver's lagging behind it, but overall silver, if you look at the monthly chart, it's been okay, and the weekly. But when you go to the daily, no, it's been a losing factor against it. The copper market, they still can't seem to get anything positive going in China, and that's a big problem. I keep watching iron ore prices there, and they're declining on their futures exchange, and you know that would be steel and everything else you need for infrastructure plays, just not there at this point. In the grain markets, it's typical. You know, which way do you go when you come in from a hot weekend with a lot of rain? I don't know if many of you are aware, but in Iowa, 21 counties are now national disaster. They're underwater. So that's very important. And how is that going to impact the grain markets? Wherever those counties are, you can count that they have to replant. But you can see here that everything is down, basically. Bonds and notes pretty flat, not much moving them one way or the other. So that's pretty much what I'm seeing right now. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll catch up with you all at the end of the day when we do our market wrap-ups. You have a great trading day.